Hi friends, welcome to the Origami series of Creative Creativity channel. Today we are going to make 3 different types of flowers. It's very simple and easy to make. Let's move on to our working table and see how to make it. Now let's see how to make the first flower. The things we need are single-sided dark green color paper, double-sided light green color paper, Fevicol, pencil, compass, scissors, refill, scale, and we need about 5 circles of radius 3.5 centimeter of double-sided red color paper. Let's see how to make the flower. Now let's see how to make the flower. So now I am taking a circle of radius 3.5 centimeter. I'll fold this into half. Again I'll fold it. Now using scissors, I am going to cut it into 3 equal parts. So, now I have cut one part. Now I will cut the rest of the 2 parts. So we have got all the 3 parts. Like this we'll cut all the circles. Now we have cut all the circles into 3 equal parts. Now let's start making cones. We'll stick this using Fevicol. Like this we'll make all the cones. Now we'll start making our flowers. So we have made all the cones. We have made the stem. Now we need our leaf. So I have taken 7 centimeter in length and 2 centimeter in breadth. You may also increase that if you want a long leaf. Now I want just a small leaf, so I am taking this much length. So I want 4 leaves. So I am folding it into 4. Again I am folding it into half. Now using scissors, I am cutting it. See, now I have got 4 flowers. Now we'll make our flower. So I am taking a cone, I am applying some glue at the bottom, I am sticking it. Now we'll stick the other flowers. We'll stick all flowers like this. Now our flowers are ready. Now let's see how to make the other flowers. Now we have made our first flower. So now let's see how to make our second flower. So for this I am taking this color paper and with length 21 centimeter and width 7 centimeter. I am going to fold it into half. I have already showed you how to make a stem, so I have made one. And now we have folded into half. this is the open side and this is the closed side. Now we'll cut the closed side. You should not cut till the end, just stop it here. Now we have cut all these. So now we'll open it and fold it to the other side. Now we have folded to the other side. Now we'll stick using glue. Now we are sticking it. See, now we have stuck it. Now we have already made a stem. We'll apply some glue here. Now we'll apply glue. And first stick it like this. Then we'll slowly roll it downwards. Now we have made the flower. Now we will make a leaf. So I am taking a rectangle sheet of light green double-sided paper of 7 cm length and 3 cm width. I'll fold it and using scissors I'll cut this. So we have cut this. See, now we will stick this leaf here like this. So we'll apply glue. Now we'll stick the leaf. Now our leaves are ready. And finally, we have made all the flowers. So now we'll keep it with this. Now let's see how to make a third flower. For this I have made a stem. So Now I have cut 6 circles of radius 3.5 centimeter as before, and this also I have made. I will show you how to make this. I will take a small paper and I will take a scissor and we'll cut the same way as we have cut it for the leaf, for the second flower, not fully. So this is how we have made all this. Now I'll take a circle. I'll cut this into half. For this I'll fold it, and now I'll cut this. So now I have cut this into half. Now I'll fold this again and fold it into 3 equal parts. 1, this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. 1, 2, and 3. So I have folded it to 3 equal parts. Now using scissors, I'll cut this. And make petals. So now I'll open it. So now we have got 6 petals. I'll cut one of the petals. I'll apply some glue at the back side of the petal that I've cut into half, and I'll stick this. I have stuck the petal that I have cut inside this flower. See, this is how we'll make all these papers into flowers. Now we have made all our flowers. Now we'll shape it. So now I'm using a pencil and I'm shaping it. Okay. Now we'll take this what we have cut and we'll just fold the down part. And make it like this and stick this. Apply some glue on the bottom. We'll stick here. Like this we'll stick for all the flowers. Now we have made all our flowers. Now we'll start sticking it. So I have taken flower. I'll apply some glue. And stick this inside this. Now we'll stick the next flower. Apply some glue. And I'll stick this here. Now we'll stick the next flower. We'll apply some glue and stick this flower over here. Like this, we'll stick all of these flowers. Now our flowers are ready. Now we'll start making our leaf. So now I have taken a rectangle sheet, double-sided green color paper. I'm folding it. Again I'm folding it like this. Now we should never cut this folded side. So now I'm cutting a leaf. So now we have got 2 leaves. We'll apply some glue. And stick it here. I'm applying glue on the other leaf. Now the same way we'll stick it here. Now all our flowers are ready. I'll just keep it aside. Thanks for watching. If you have never subscribed our channel, please do subscribe it. Also click the bell icon that appears near the subscribe button so as the video reaches you as notification. Comment in the comment box what do you want next. If you like the video, like it, share it with your friends. Bye. See you soon.